2012 American Standard Central Air Conditioner. It's nice and sweaty and cold. Pretty much brand new. I don't know if this son of a biscuit has a freaking data sheet. But pretty much brand new, chugging away. A warm evening. Actually, it's not that warm out here. It's actually somewhat nice. Okay, it's a dog yapping. But I don't know if it has a. It's shut off. I'll take a look at it off real quick. I don't know if that thing has a data sheet or not. I think I have permission to be up by this thing. Compressor. Hey, it's an Alliance scroll compressor. I don't know if it has a data sheet or not, but that dog needs to hush. Is the Guardian running? It is running. Huh. And it's actually not all that hot out right now. Tomatoes getting red. Oh crap, there's a bee flying around. It wants to sting me, probably. Pretty much no reason. American Standard. God, come on. This blackberry sucks. Oh, lift. Okay. There it is. There's the disconnect box. I don't know if that thing has a compressor. Compressor. Data sheet. I'll look and see if that dang thing has a data sheet. I don't think it does. American Standard. It's got that big old bush, so I can't. He doesn't care if I'm gonna buy it, I don't think, but he's a pretty nice guy, but he's kind of strange, so, yeah. Thank you for watching. This video is getting long. This is longer than I was planning on it being. See, I'm looking for a data sheet, but if it does, I'll take a picture of it and the org just turned on.